Are you feeling like life could use a little upgrade? You don't need a massive overhaul to see real change. Sometimes, it's the little things we do every day that have the biggest impact. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 simple changes that you can start implementing right now to transform your life in meaningful ways. These tips are practical, effective, and, most importantly, easy to stick with. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into it. 1. Start your day right. The first step to transforming your life starts the moment you wake up. How you begin your morning can dictate your mood, energy, and productivity for the rest of the day. One simple habit that makes a difference? Make your bed. It may seem small, but this gives you an immediate sense of accomplishment, setting the tone for a productive day ahead. Plus, coming home to a tidy bed at night can reduce stress and help you relax. Write down or reflect on one thing you're thankful for. Gratitude helps you start your day with positivity and focus on the good in your life. This small mental shift can have a big impact on how you handle challenges throughout your day. 2. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Let's talk about hydration. Many people underestimate the power of simply drinking enough water, yet it's one of the easiest ways to improve your overall health and well-being. Dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and even mood swings. If you're feeling sluggish or having trouble focusing, the solution might be as simple as drinking more water. Make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. Not only does this help you remember to hydrate, but it's also an environmentally friendly alternative to single-use plastics. If plain water feels boring, add a twist with natural flavorings like lemon, cucumber, or mint. You'll stay refreshed and enjoy the added taste. Aim for at least 8 cups a day, but remember, everyone's needs are different. Pay attention to your body's signals. Thirst, dry skin, and fatigue are all signs you might need more water. Keeping hydrated doesn't just help your body, it also improves mental clarity, keeps your skin glowing, and helps regulate your energy levels throughout the day. 3. Move your body daily. Next up is movement. Staying active is essential for both your physical and mental health, but that doesn't mean you need to spend hours at the gym. In fact, even small bursts of movement can have a big impact. Try going for a brisk 10-minute walk, stretching when you wake up, or doing some quick bodyweight exercises at home. The key is to find an activity that feels enjoyable and fits your lifestyle. Movement doesn't just benefit your body, it also works wonders for your mind. Physical activity releases endorphins, your body's natural, feel-good chemicals, which can help reduce stress and improve your mood. If you're having a tough day, try moving around. It's like a reset button for your brain. The best way to stay consistent is to make it a habit. Block out time in your schedule, even if it's just a few minutes, and treat it as non-negotiable. Over time, this daily movement will leave you feeling stronger, happier, and more energized to take on the rest of your day. 4. Declutter your space. There's a reason so many people swear by decluttering. It's like clearing out your mind while clearing out your space. Physical clutter creates mental clutter. When your environment is messy or disorganized, it can make you feel overwhelmed, distracted, or stressed without you even realizing it. Start small. Focus on one area, like your desk, your bedside table, or even your email inbox. Spend just 10 minutes a day organizing or getting rid of items you don't need. You'll be amazed at how quickly those small sessions add up to a cleaner, more functional space. When your surroundings are tidy, it's easier to focus on what's important. You'll feel calmer, more in control, and ready to take on bigger tasks without the background noise of a messy environment. As they say, a clean space is a clear mind. 5. Limit screen time. Let's face it, we're all glued to our screens. Whether it's endless scrolling, binge watching, or answering emails late into the night, too much screen time can take a toll on our mental and physical health. It strains your eyes, disrupts your sleep, and leaves you feeling drained. But here's the good news. Cutting back even a little can make a huge difference. Start by setting boundaries. Create phone-free zones or times, like during meals or an hour before bed. Use that time to do something more fulfilling, like reading a book, journaling, or spending quality time with loved ones. You could even pick up a hobby, something that doesn't involve a screen, like painting, gardening, or cooking. If you find it hard to limit your usage, try setting app timers or using focus apps that block distractions. It's not about cutting out technology completely but being mindful of how much time you're giving to your devices versus the real world. Trust me, you'll feel less overwhelmed and more present in your daily life. 6. Practice deep breathing. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, we often forget to breathe, really breathe. Deep breathing is one of the simplest and most effective ways to calm your mind, reduce stress, and reconnect with yourself. It's a tool you can use anytime, anywhere, whether you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or just need a moment of calm. Here's a simple technique to try. It's called box breathing. Breathe in deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for 4 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth for another 4 seconds. Repeat this cycle 4 or 5 times. You'll feel your heart rate slow down and your body relax almost instantly. The beauty of deep breathing is its versatility. You can do it first thing in the morning to set a calm tone for the day, during stressful moments to regain clarity, or before bed to unwind. It takes only a minute or 2 but can make a profound difference in your mental state. 7. Eat mindfully. How often do you find yourself eating while scrolling through your phone or rushing through a meal without even tasting it? Mindless eating is a habit that can lead to overeating, poor digestion, and a disconnect from your body's needs. But eating mindfully can completely change how you experience food and how your body feels after a meal. Start by eliminating distractions. Turn off the TV, put your phone away, and focus solely on your meal. Take smaller bites, chew slowly, and savor each flavor. This not only helps you enjoy your food more but also gives your brain time to catch up with your stomach, helping you recognize when you're full. Another part of mindful eating is choosing your food intentionally. Aim for balanced meals with whole, nutritious ingredients that make you feel energized and satisfied. You don't have to be perfect, but being present during meals helps you build a healthier relationship with food and makes eating an experience rather than just a task. 8. Set small goals. Big dreams can feel overwhelming, especially when you're not sure where to start. That's why breaking them down into small, actionable steps is so important. Setting small, achievable goals not only makes big projects more manageable but also gives you a sense of accomplishment along the way. Start by asking yourself, what's one thing I can do today to move closer to my goal? Whether it's spending 10 minutes learning a new skill, organizing one corner of a room, or even just making a phone call, these small actions add up. Write them down in a planner or journal, and check them off as you complete them. It's incredibly motivating to see your progress in real time. The key is to focus on consistency rather than perfection. Even if you're taking baby steps, you're still moving forward. Celebrate every small win, because those victories will build the momentum and confidence you need to tackle even bigger challenges. 9. Prioritize sleep. Sleep isn't just a luxury, it's essential for your overall well-being. Yet, it's often the first thing we sacrifice when life gets busy. Poor sleep affects everything from your energy and focus to your mood and immune system. That's why prioritizing quality sleep is one of the best changes you can make for your health. Start by creating a consistent sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Also, avoid screens at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can disrupt your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that makes you feel sleepy. Make your bedroom a sleep-friendly sanctuary. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in comfortable bedding, and consider using calming scents like lavender to help you relax. A good night's sleep isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. By prioritizing rest, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. 10. Spread positivity. Last but not least, let's talk about spreading positivity. A small act of kindness can brighten someone else's day, and yours too. Whether it's complimenting a friend, helping a stranger, or simply offering a genuine smile, these gestures create a ripple effect of positivity that goes far beyond what you can see. Not only does spreading positivity make others feel good, but it also boosts your own happiness. Studies show that acts of kindness release feel-good hormones like oxytocin, which helps lower stress and increase feelings of connection. It's a win-win for everyone involved. So, take a moment each day to do something kind. Send a thoughtful text, thank someone who's helped you, or lend a hand where you can. Remember, The energy you put out into the world has a way of coming back to you. Make it positive, and watch how it transforms your outlook on life. And there you have it. 10 simple yet powerful changes you can make to transform your life today. Remember, you don't have to do all of these at once. Start with 1 or 2 that resonate with you and build from there. Small steps lead to big results over time. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more life-improving content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.